Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on gold market. Although today, personally, guys, I did not see really something really good setup for trading on the gold, and I will explain why. So in general, on the daily chart, we have nothing new, as currently session stands as inside one to previous day. Currently we do not see any crossing of the important lines and levels, so this is a 3x3 moving average, and certainly theoretically on the daily chart we could get the front body trade, but for that purpose market has to close below the 3x3 and reach the major support area. So you can see market has hit the first support 1635, but it stands above the 3x3, so we do not have the purely front body setup. It means that if market will drop somehow, maybe to the 50% support retesting of this level, or right directly to the 16 even 618 support here, we could get the potential bread and butter from the lower levels, because overall bullish momentum here is rather strong, and some rest of this momentum still exists in the market that could push prices higher. But currently on the daily we still have nothing. On the intraday chart, guys, situation also stands not really very good, because if you remember, recently we talked about the possible bread and butter on the follow time frame chart, because here was 3 closing below 3x3, market has reached the confidence support, so you can see the strong support cluster, and initially the jump was really nice, so that was not really bad attempt for taking the position. But later market has returned right back down, spiked down this significant level, and now stands here around this level. So based on this price action, well, I am not totally denying the possibility of the really pullback here to the 618 resistance and completion of this brand body trade, but overall situation on the market now stands not as attractive as yesterday. I will explain you. So take a look at the hourly chart. That was our initial setup, and it was really nice. Why? Because we have taken into consideration this pattern since starting from this point where the real drop started, it's A point, and OP has been completed right here. As a result, we said we could try to take the long position either here, right on the OP, or you could try to do this on the 618 retracement, because here we have clear hand and shoulders pattern is forming. So that was good background for the brand bottom. When the market starts to form additional pattern reversal right at the support, confirming our idea, and overall situation has developed really nice, because market brings us a good opportunity to move stops to the break even, as with this trade, as with the trading right on the bottom of the right arm of the hand and shoulders, because indeed upward action has started. But later, close to the end of the session, take a look, market return it back down and erase the head and shoulders. So, well, yes, market actually has completed the major OP with this A point right from the top. Now this OP is completed. Also, you can see this market hits the 127 extension of this recent retracement. So maybe you could call it as a butterfly or something of that sort. Although for a butterfly, it's a bit choppy action of this initial swing. Anyway, major target that seems to be completed, and market starts to upward action. But, well, guys, this is real drop and raising initial background for the brand bottom and acceleration right to the OP and this completion of this butterfly. Currently, as you can see, some kind of the lazy upward action. It's not really fast return. It's gradual action here, reminds some kind of the ABCD action retracement of this drop, which potentially also could be kind of the catalyst to sell to be formed, something of that sort. Well, personally, I'm not really fascinating with this setup, at least in current moment, for taking the long position here. I will show you what we could keep an eye on if it could be a good setup. For example, take a look, if we will get something of that sort, that could be, let's call it left arm, head, market will complete this ABC bottom target here, and then it will start dropping lower back to the 1633, forming a kind of the hand shoulders here. It's more extended pattern. That could be at least something that we could follow, because it will give us acceptable stop order below this level. It will give us clear bullish reversal pattern, and all this stuff will happen at conference support on 4-hour time frame chart. That will be at least something. And the current moment, well, theoretically you could try to take the risk, because your entry at this point will be approximately the same as with the hand and shoulders, with placing stop below it, and if you will get lucky, market maybe will show the skyrocket here. That is theoretically possible. But you should understand that in the current situation, there are some risk and variety of the different scenarios are greater, because we do not have clear pattern. We do not know how market responds to this conference resistance, because currently we have actually the trend line here that's forming. And yes, you could succeed, but the probability of that, dispersion of the different scenarios are greater, and your probability on the success currently in the current circumstances is worse, not as clear as it could be if we will get the clear pattern in place. So, but choices, of course, is up to you. But currently, guys, I am not really fascinated with the trading gold market and long side immediately. I would prefer to wait a bit more and see what patterns will be formed here.